YouTube. I would like to give a small review about MOTOMASTER tire inflator. So I've not taken it from the boot so that you can see it comfortably fits in a boot like that. Of course, my boot is stuffed with all different kinds of stuff. So this one here, I got it from Canadian Tire. I think it was around $100 when I bought it, but sometimes you can get in an offer price, but it's of course it's upon season to season. Anyway, so this one is a high flow inflator, and we can use it for a motor vehicle, cycle and sports balls inflators, as well as for boats or inflated boats. Now this one is a digital one and it's very compact, as you can see. This is the length of it, and it can go into a 12-watt inlet for in all vehicles. So it's so compact. The cord is tightly wrapped here. You have a compartment here for the 12 watts and some accessory gadgets for inflating other stuffs, but here we are using it for the vehicle. It's a very long cord. I do not know how much meter it has, but you can see this one is very long. Probably, let me try to stretch this. It's about 10 feet, I suppose, right? Anyways, now having said that, this additional cord which we use to plug into the tire is safely and properly wrapped around here. We can take that out. We would be only inflating one of this now, and here on the dial we have a digital display. Once it is plugged into the 12 volt, it would light up. And this is the start button. This is to reduce the air pressure. This is to up the air pressure. And I think it has also a flashlight here. That is this button. And an emergency. I think it blinks. I have never used it, but we can see during the review. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start my vehicle, and then I would plug in the 12 volt. So here I have started my vehicle and I'm going to use the 12 watt. Now this one is connected to the dash cam. Now I am removing this one and I am getting the 12 watt in. So now you may see the lights might have turned on. Now the pressure shows as 00. You can see it's set for 32 now, but we can always minus it like that, and we can also increase it. I suppose the rare one it's 30, so I'm going to plug in this one here. Now you can see I have a low pressure here. I have only 18.6 psi. Now when I press this one, when I press the start button, it immediately starts to refill. I mean, get in the air. And I'm just trying to see the flashlight here. Yes, it is pretty good flashlight. So we can see if it is at night, if it is between our journey. It's a very good flashlight. I'm trying to turn on the emergency button here, like the triangle. Yeah, now we have a flashing red. I've never used this, but it has all these features. Great. So I'm going to turn this off. You can see flashing red light over there. And let's go with the flashlight. Now I'm going to start this button. Now 30, when it's automatically it would cut off. So start. As you can see, when it reaches the set tire pressure, when it reaches that tire pressure, it immediately cuts out, like so. That is programmed automatically. Now once we got that, we just come here, pull this lever out. Oh, I lost some pressure here, but I'm just going to check that again. Now it has gone back to 0, I got like 0.5 more. Great. I'm going to do it fast so that I won't lose air again. Alright, I think that's good. Now, I've been using this product for almost 1 year or more than a year, and I have had no issues with this. The only thing, the first time I bought this, I thought this one is not working because the tire pressure was 32 psi and I set 30 psi in here. So only thing is that when I set 30 psi in this one, and if it has 32, which is if the pressure is more in here, this will not deflate. So if that happens, then we have to take out air manually. So it won't deflate, it only inflates. But I thought that was a problem of the product, but it was not. It turned out it was not. So that is, it's a very good product, and it's not a paid promotion or anything. So it's an honest review. If you have any doubts, if I have forgotten to comment on or mention anything which you would like to know, please comment on the box below, and if I know that, I would surely get back to you. Thank you YouTube for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. Thanks.